Durian Pancake homemade recipe. Prepare a blender. Put in butter. Put in 2 eggs. Put in coconut flour. Fresh durian. Put in durian flesh. Blend the mixture. Pour into a baking pan. Spread and flatten the mixture. Bake for 30 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius,
320 degrees Fahrenheit.
After 30 minutes of baking, the pancake is ready to serve. Remove the pancake from baking pan. Serve it onto a plate. Durian pancake. Bake with fresh durian, coconut flour, eggs and butter. Time to taste. A nice browning and texture. But durian smell and taste is not strong enough. You can add more durian for a better and stronger durian's taste. Ingredients: fresh durian, eggs, butter, coconut flour.
Mmm, yummy.